Going into Glendale, we have the sort of weekly, because we didn't have a race last week, but the almost weekly injury report. And we're going to start with the 450s as always, because why not? Cade Clayson, if you didn't see posted on his Instagram this week, he had a practice crash. Let me get those words out. He broke a rib and collapsed the lung, so he will be out. Dylan Frandis with the concussion protocol or concussion safety, whatever, he's going to be out too. Brandon Hartraff, because, well, yeah, we all know about that one. Out forever. Not forever. Out for a very long time. Still healing. Scott Meshy is out with a broken tibia sustained in Detroit. Marvin Muscan is out with his wrist injury still. Colt Nichols is back in. After his crash in Daytona, he'll be back in, so that's good. More competition. Bubba Pauly with his severed thumb is out. Alex Ray with his broken thumb is out. Justin Rodbell with his Achilles tendon injury is out. Malcolm Stewart with his knee injury and subsequent surgery, he's out. Going into the 250 guys, we're in the West region, so we got some different people this week. Julian Bennick, he'll be out after sustaining a broken thumb in Seattle, so he's gone for this week. Austin Faulkner, out, as he has been all year. Vin Freezy, out. Kyle Greason is also out with a back injury. Matt Moss is in after sustaining a thumb injury in Oakland, so he'll be racing. And sad news that we're coming out this week. Check out the pin somewhere on top. Cameron McAdoo, he'll be out indefinitely after dislocating his shoulder and tearing his labrum. Sucks to him. Sucks for the team. Phil Nicoletti is out. Dylan Walsh is out. And that's it. So as you go down and comment below something, whatever you want. Who do you think is going to win this weekend? Who do you think is going to be back for motocross? Whatever it is, comment something down below, because playing the YouTube algorithm game, it really helps me out and I appreciate it. As you go down there, like, share, subscribe, do all those fun things too, because again, it helps me out with the algorithm and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.